Assalamualaikum and greetings to my panel, Dr. Muni and Dr. Muhammad Anwar bin Ismail. Today, I would like to present about my final year project 1, which is the title is Development of IoT-based Remote Air Quality Monitor for Hatero Trigona Itamaka Television. Let's go to the introduction of my study. This study research about the highlight about the exposure to the polluted air quality inside the Heterotrigona Itamaka Television. Heterotrigona Itama is a group of insects which is called as the stingless bee or collulet bees, which is they live in the beehive. Although this research need to necessarily develop tools for the real-time air quality monitoring, which can deploy with a low cost prototyping and low power sensor nodes. It presents with the advanced communication and sensing capabilities to conduct the research on the current active colony environmental inside the beehive. Although this research to understand any environmental variable that distinguish active colonies from passive colonies inside the Heterotrigona Itamaka Television. Okay, this problem statement get from Dineva and Atanasova 2018, which is says that the Heterotrigona Itamaka Television of the beehive can get the poisonous substance which can obtain from the bee visited plants. Although at the beehive also can get the chemical which is can get from the insecticides, fungicides and herbicides, which is get the difficult to conduct the frequent inspection due to the various reason, which is it does lead to the reduced profitability with the bee farm activities. Although this inspection has often caused stress on the bee colony. Okay, for the research objective, I would like to exclude with the several things, which is the to develop on air remote quality monitoring system using IoT with a minimal cost. And the second one, to develop remote monitoring system in order to ease maintenance inside the Heterotrigona Itamaka Television bee farm itself. Although it is to identify the internal and external environment of the beehive. Okay, for the research scope, first one, I need to know for the research site, which is at the Heterotrigona Itamaka Television area, which is located at the Johor. And then the second one needs to make the prototype itself, which is related with the IoT-based remote air quality monitor that can relate with the Arduino system. And the last part, I need to identification of the environmental variables, which is at the study location at the Heterotrigona Itamaka Television bee farm. Okay, next I go to the literature review. Okay, this literature review method was stated by systematic literature review, which is gained from the past few years publication, which related study between the Heterotrigona Itamaka Television and the IoT-based remote air quality monitor. This literature review, there are four main fields that related with the study, which is the number one is the life sciences, second one medicine and public health, the third one chemistry, and the last one for the physics. Okay, for the life sciences, there are four total publications which are related about the rohanis, which is for the rohani, there are 4 different bee species including with the honeybees. Although the stinger bees were classified based on their chemical profile and the mineral content and heavy metal content, which is related at the bee farm. Next, go to the medicine and public health. There are several total publications, which are related with the health benefit of the content at the bee farm, which is related with the effect contamination. Apart from that, the effect of the stingless Trigona itama honey was as the chemotherapy agent, which to alleviate the condition and the concentration. Although this appearance can be shown that easily, which to make the program that allow to create the low cost of the prototyping sensor for the IoT. And the next part, which is the chemistry. For the chemistry part, there are 5 total publications which are related of the honey content, which is there are several variety of the bee species which is related with the geographical origin for the collection of the honey. Although there are enormous variability, which is the terms of the honey moisture content, free acidity, and the pH. And for the physics, there are 3 total publications which are related of the advantage of the honey, which is the honey is naturally regurgitated by the bees, which is the content of many functional compounds which are related with the beneficial to the human. As long as we know as the stingless bee honey, called as the keluluh honey, that can determine for the predictive maintenance, which is can employ for the predetermined interval of a cycle of the operation, which can conduct maintenance without the factoring in the actual of the beehive itself. Okay, next go to the methodology part. This is my project development project, which is several make to consist of the flowchart of my project, which is make about the study analysis, about the Heterotrigona itama cultivation, and related with the IoT prototype. Hence, I need to do some list of the material used, which related to the using the hardware material and the software interfacing. Next, I make for the combination between the hardware material and the software interfacing to do the IoT based remote air quality monitor prototype. And after that, after finish building the prototype, I moved to the site visit of the experiment research at the Heterotrigona itama cultivation bee farm. It consists of the list of material. I divide into 2 parts, which is the software interfacing and the hardware development. This part will be discussed later on. For the study analysis, I make the several method to use, which is consists of the internet, journal, and attend workshop. For the internet and journal, I make some research about the well information for the Heterotrigona itama cultivation, which are related with the case research study with the IoT prototype. And I attend the workshop, which is the Arduino workshop, to gain the knowledge about the Arduino system, which are related with my IoT prototype to-do list. Okay, this is my material hardware, which is consists of the Arduino Uno as the microcontroller, air quality sensor, which is I choose MQ135 to define the carbon dioxide parameter inside the beehive. Although I use the sound detector to detect the sound which is consist inside the beehive, and the next part which is consist of the temperature sensor, which is the temperature sensor DHT22/11, and the wire temperature sensor, which is the temperature sensor used as the ambient temperature at the beehive, and wire temperature sensor as the probe temperature sensor, which is make the research inside the beehive itself. For the current supply, I need to choose material holder and battery AA, which is consists of the suitable to gain the current supply to the Arduino system itself. For the software programming, I choose several type of it, which is the number one is the Arduino IDE, which is called as the integrated drawing environment. Arduino IDE, which is one of the software that programs to the Arduino Uno to do the IoT prototype of the air quality monitor. And the second one is the Circuit.io, which is the one of the online platform circuit design, which is to make some sketching due to my prototype. And I use the Blink app to use as the one of the remote air quality monitor apps using the phone to develop as the IoT based remote air quality monitor in Heterotrigona Itama cultivation bee farm. For the design, I make it into two, which is the prototype design and electrical circuit design. For the prototype design, this is my prototype design, which consists of my material hardware that I mentioned this before to do with the IoT prototype. And for the electrical circuit design, I use Circuit.io, as I mentioned, as the software interfacing program. This is for my prototype flowchart, which is consists of the reading air quality inside the beehive. Hence, after that, we also to get the sound and the temperature, and after that, it displays on the IoT prototype remote, which is at the phone itself. Okay, this is for the project gadget for the final year project 1 and final year project 2. Okay, for the budget costing, this is my budget costing which relate to build the IoT based remote air quality monitor, which is the cost overall is RM207.60. What's for the expected outcomes related with my research study? Okay, the first one, I can get the output of the air quality monitor in Heterotrigona Itama cultivation bee colony with a minimal cost. Next, I will get the identify which is related with the internal and external environment of the beehive Heterotrigona Itama cultivation. And the last one, to ease the maintenance itself of the beehive using the IoT based remote air quality monitor. That's all for me. Thank you.